What's up everybody, Hisham Hattab here, back with another video, another drawing video. My drawing for today is part of a competition that I participated in last week on social media. It's an art initiative called Behind the Mask, and it was launched by Apple Dubai, the Dubai team, and the amazing artist Ali Kashwani. I'm gonna link up his Instagram page in the description. The idea of the competition basically was to express yourself through the mask. So have the mask be your canvas. And it has to be drawn in your own style. Wait, what? My style? But I don't have a style. I never thought about a style. I never thought about me having my own style. These are all the questions that I asked myself when I saw the brief of the competition. So am I eligible to enter such a competition? And the answer to such a question is absolutely yes. Whatever you are currently able to draw, that's your current style, which is yet to be developed even further and change over time as you keep drawing. And so, as per the current style of my drawings, I decided to express myself through the following drawings. Enjoy. You know, my idea for this drawing is to express myself, right? And I don't want to be full of myself or anything, but I do see myself as a person who's very much dedicated with whichever task I am required to do. And for me, what this drawing represents. I don't know for you if you see that or not. At least that's how I feel about this drawing. For me, this was a very fun drawing to do. Because it was something new. I feel like this kind of stuff, you know, entering a competition, yeah, it's not that big of a competition, but still the idea of me, I'm not just drawing what I see, but I'm trying to implement another idea into it. I think that's why this drawing had that extra element to it that I'm not usually used to when I'm drawing, and that's why I really like this drawing. I feel this will help me shape up my style even more. I want to also thank my cousin for letting me draw her. It was an absolute pleasure. Tell me what you think about the drawing. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you see what I see in this drawing, in the sense of the dedication phase. And yes, don't forget, comment, like, or subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.